Hey everybody, this is Kelly. I'm going to call my station Crying Marsh Comics. It's like this. So today it's like I got CGC submission came back 5 books, which I've already looked at, and I'm happy with the results. And then I also made a trip to Rainbow Comics and Collectibles in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So I got some pickups from there that I'm going to show you. But starting out with the CGC, this is World's Finest, number 34, a David Nakayama cover on 9/8, white pages. Beautiful Zantana cover. I got Deadly Tales of the Gunslinger Spawn, a 9/8. It's like Catwoman number 71, a Frank Cho cover. Spawn Universe number 1, J. Scott Campbell cover. And finally, I got a Street Fighter Masters Cammy. It's like, an Ivan Tao cover. So 5 submissions, 5 9/8. So you got to be happy with that. So now for my pickups from Rainbow yesterday. First, the books that I'm reading. Green Lantern number 20. It's like Space Ghost number 10. Space Ghost, the show, premiered the same month, September 1966, that I was born, so there's sort of a connection there. So I'm a Space Ghost fan. It's like the Herculoids number 1. It's like that's a nostalgia by remembering the cartoons from my childhood. It's like The Seasons number 2. I haven't actually read number 1 yet, but Rick Remender, I like him. I liked Grommets. So the Uncanny X-Force run that he did, great stuff. So it's like, and then finally on my reads is Badger number 2. It's like another, nostalgia, going back to the Badger from first comics back in the 80s. So cover buys, Grim Fairy Tale number 93. Don't remember who did this cover. The John Royal one was sold out, so couldn't grab that one. It's like Doctor Strange of Asgard. I'm picking up these rival covers because they seem to be hot. It's like Immortal Thor, the Rivals cover. And then Moon Knight, the Rivals. I am a Moon Knight fan, but I read my Marvel comics on Marvel's Unlimited, so I don't buy them. I'm an Avengers fan, Captain America, Hawkeye, so those are what I read. And it's like Venom, I read Venom, so. But like I say, I read them online, so don't pick them up unless they've got covers that I want. G.I. Joe, it's like third print, number 1, third print. That's a very nice cover. And then Jedi Knights. This is a Raza cover. I like Raza, so it's like they didn't have the Jim Henson Labyrinth cover that he did this week, so couldn't pick that one up. So might run to Sioux City to see if maybe the comic book stores I know of there might have that and the Grimm Fairy Tale, John Royal. Okay, so now back issue buys. Frank Frazzetta's Moon Maid #1. It's like Moon Maid was Edgar Rice Burroughs' book, and Frazetta did covers for that, and this is a redo. I don't know if it's a redo or just, a reprinting of the cover that he did for one of them Edgar Rice Burroughs novels, but I saw that and it's like, yes. Danger Girl Renegade #2, a J. Scott Campbell cover. These next three, it's like, don't remember what I was looking for. It was not in the H section, so it's like, so I found these misplaced in the comic books. It's like Hell's Angels #1, #3, and #2. They're from the Marvel UK print, and usually when I find stuff that's misplaced, I sort of wonder, was that an accident that the comic book shop made, or was somebody trying to hide something and, we're planning on coming back later? Saw the X-Men on the covers, so it's like, and for, they were $3, $4, and $2 were covers, so it's like $3 a piece. Why not? So, 50 Girls 50, #1. That's a Frank Cho cover. And then #2 also, I think, is a Frank Cho cover. So, okay. Picked up Spitfire #1. It's like, don't remember who does that cover, but for $4.50 it was a must buy. So, Superman Gen 13 #3. I was looking for #1 and 2, but they weren't there. But this one was, and it is a newsstand. Covers by Lee Bermejo, and story is by Adam Hughes. So it's like, saw that was a newsstand and picked it up for $5. It's like, then I got Psylocke Archangel Crimson Dawn #1, #3, and #4. It's like each of those was $3, so pick those up. I'm trying to do Avengers Run, the first series only, so I picked up Avengers 178, a nice beast cover. It's like, bought a Nice House on the Lake #1. It's like Green Lantern 23. This is the first print, not the second print, but it's like Wolverine 317, a nice cover there, I thought. So, and then Red Sonja and Vampirella meet Betty and Veronica. It's like #1. And then the last two, it's like Starfire #1 and #3. It's like, I'd like to find that Darwin Cook cover from this series, but it is not easy to find. So, but that's what I bought today. It's like Next week, I will be in Omaha. There's a comic book show at the Oakview Mall, I think. So planning on being there. So if you're going to be there, it's like let me know in the comments and, maybe we'll meet. Until next time, guys, it's like have a good day and happy hunting.